Hello Windows users, Michael with the Windows Club. Are you like me and you're always looking for a way to improve your Windows experience? Just want to find a way to make Windows 10 even better? Well, the Windows Club has released over 75 freeware applications, and today we're going to talk about the Ultimate Windows Tweaker 4. And like anything else TWC has released, there's no third-party offers and we don't push crapware. Now, the Ultimate Windows Tweaker version 4.71 for Windows 10 was one of those freeware apps developed for the Windows Club. It supports Windows 10, the 32 and 64-bit. Now, it does require .NET Framework 4 to work, but that comes pre-installed in Windows 10. Don't worry if you're still on 7, Vista, or 8, there are versions of it for you. UWT is like Tweak UI for Windows 10. It offers you the ability to better personalize your settings and to make your system faster, more stable, more personalized, and above all, you can be more secure with just a few clicks. Well, let's get our tweak on. As you can see, I've already installed it and created a desktop shortcut for it. Now, we'll link it. When you open UWT4, you'll see some basic information about your computer, like the operating system, the build system type, processor, installed RAM, computer and username, WEI score, and more. Now, there are recovery options, run DISM system file checker, and the option to create a system restore point. One of the things I particularly like is on the initial run, it asks you to create a system restore point. Have you created a system restore point today? If not, why don't you? And there just happens to be a handy button to do just that. Seriously, do it. So let's look at some of the options on the left. You have customization. Here you can tweak your taskbar settings, thumbnails, file explorer, and the modern UI. You can change to a light or a dark theme for OS or apps and much more. On user accounts, this is pretty much self-explanatory. Change login information, sign-in options, change account settings, and even user account control settings. Performance. Here you can optimize Windows 10 to best suit your needs and requirements. Most of these settings I honestly wouldn't adjust, but if you wish to, this is where you would do it. Security and privacy. Let's make Windows 10 more secure. You can restrict access to certain items in the privacy tab. You can change privacy settings, disable telemetry, biometrics, and a whole other host of things to make your Windows 10 more secure. Internet Explorer. Once again, it pretty much speaks for itself. You can enhance IE's appearance and behavior. Okay, context menu. You can add and change items on menus to fit your needs. Suppose you want music to be there, or Microsoft Edge to be there, or alarms and clocks. Additional. Here we have some additional little bells and whistles that you can take UWT to the next level. The search bar. Suppose you're looking for a particular tweet, but you're not exactly quite sure which one of those accounts it would go into. So, we got you, fam. Just type it in. And the About tab. Here basically you have your in-license agreement, and if there happens to be some sort of like a bug, if maybe you're interested in a feature, that there's something you might want to see on a future release of it, this is where you could contact us. This is where you can like interact with it. Now, there are a lot more helpful features, tips, and tweaks that we could spend hours going over. So instead, we're going to give you the link down in the description for more. And if this video was helpful, leave us a thumbs up. And even better, if you haven't already, subscribe to the page right after you do System Restore. Until later, this is Michael with the Windows Club.